Oh, hi guys. Welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's almost the end of Veganuary.
You've been saying that for like a week.
We're even closer to the Super Bowl.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm all about the Olympics this year.
Yeah, there's a lot going on this February. I mean, Fashion Week and other stuff too.
Celebrity Big Brother.
Yeah.
So much stuff.
But anyway, if you want a quick lunch, or something for your Super Bowl get-together, or something for your Olympics watching ice skating party, or something like that, I've got it for you today. This one is so customizable too. We're having stuffed potato jackets. This is like, what do they call this? Twice baked potatoes. So I've already taken my russet potatoes. They're all about the same size so that they all baked at around the same, amount of time. So if you're going to do this, get potatoes that are about the same size so you don't have to worry if they're cooked all the way or not. But you don't really have to worry that much anyway because we're twice baking them. So I've done 5 and I'm going to cut this last one in half. Carefully. You don't want to mess up the skin on the outside because that's what's going to be like the bowl for this little dish. And I did these in the oven. I wouldn't recommend doing these in the microwave because let's face it, the skin on the outside is going to be kind of limp and we want it to have a little bit of structure to it because we want to fill it. So now that I've got these cut up, I'm going to take a spoon with a sharpish edge, and I'm very carefully, well, you could use a melon baller too to do this. That would work pretty well. You want to leave a little bit of potato to hold the skin together. Sounds
gross.
Technical, but you don't want to go too close. And you could leave, just a little bit like that. That's fine. I don't want to take too much out because then it's going to be limp. So just like that. So do all of your potatoes like that and then meet me right back here at the bowl. All right, that's the last one. That's the whole tray. So I didn't tell you how to do this. I'm sorry. You bake these, well, for this size, I baked them for 1 hour at 375 degrees. I just scrubbed the outside. Don't poke the outside of the potato skin because when you do that, you let the steam escape and you don't want that. You want it to steam inside the potato jacket. So no pokes, please. And now we're going to mix up our filling. All right, so I've got some leftover yellow sauce from the other day, right? I know. Who would leave this? But we had so many toppings at the 32 taco topping bar that we got some of this yellow sauce left over. So I'm going to put a good amount in here. Oop, it's got a little crusty. Get out of there.
And we can put the link for this yellow sauce recipe in the info below.
Right. So,
super simple.
Yeah. But if you don't have yellow sauce or you don't want to make yellow sauce, you can also use a nice vegan cheese. You can, something like this, pretty nice, or BioLife or anything.
Daya.
All of the vegan cheeses are pretty amazing right now, I have to say. They've really stepped it up. So you could also supplement your yellow sauce with this on the top, which we'll do for some of them. You can also add in some fresh salsa, or you could just serve the salsa on the top for dipping. But I think this is a must. You have to have some green onions because this is just going to add so much flavor to the inside. And this is 4 stalks of green onion. I'm going to take my potato masher that I got on sale at Aldi, and I'm just going to mash this up and make basically cheesy mashed potatoes. All right, so I've started by filling a couple of these with just the mixture that I made. Now we're going to add a little bit of the salsa in here just to show the difference. So not too much. I'm going to offer some on the side as well.
You're going to offer it?
Yes. Would you like the salsa? Let's just give this a quick mix. We're also going to put some cheese on some of them on the top, just so you could see the different levels of customization. It comes together really, really quickly. If you wanted to do a whole 5-pound bag of baked potatoes and just keep them in the fridge, and then when you're ready, you know, to make it, just you've got them all ready to go already. It's the ultimate party meal prep. You know, so then when you're ready for your party, you just pull out the aces when it's time, right, Dad? That's what Frankenfurter said.
Oh, I was like, who's Brad? I didn't know you were making a Rocky Horror reference. Okay.
We'll pull out the aces when the time is right. All right, so we've got them all stuffed. We're just going to put a little supplementary cheese on some of these. Not all of them. Well, you know, should we do all of them? I don't want anybody to feel like they've been left out.
Whatever you want.
You could also do like, you don't have to do the slices. I just didn't want to open up the bag of the shreddies. Plus the shreddies go everywhere. And I hate that. I hate when you lose shreddies to the...
Yeah, because then you just like waste them.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just going to put it on all of them. You could also do this second part in the air fryer. You could do it for just 15 minutes. Make sure that it's nice and crispy on the outside. And we're going to be ready to eat this deliciousness soon. Some will have more than others.
Whoa.
I know, I went a little heavy on that one. But we're going to pop these in at 375 for 15 to 20 minutes, and we'll be right back. Oh, boy.
I'm salivating right now. This is so good.
So I took the liberty of drizzling a little bit of our ranch dressing on there. You could also use a vegan sour cream, which they have some really great ones right now. Also, you could mix a vegan sour cream with the potato instead of the yellow sauce.
Totally.
And,
yeah, it's customizable.
Yeah, I threw a little salsa on there too. So we cooked these for about 15 minutes. But depending on the size of your potatoes, you could just pick that up and eat it too.
Yeah, you could, but I'm trying to be not a disaster here, but you know.
Oh, you're failing.
Yeah, I just want to make sure I get some of the
crust?
The jacket part as well.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm so excited for this. And I already know I'm having this for lunch. Oh, it smells so good.
Well, now you know what you're having for lunch. Like your sister all the time. I don't know what to have for lunch. Have jacket potatoes.
Oh my god.
And it's quick.
So delicious.
Now, if somebody invited you to a Super Bowl party, would you care that there was football on?
If this was on the menu, that's fine. Wow.
All right.
That is so delicious.
This could be a really quick dinner, too. Like
yeah, totally.
With a salad.
A little side salad. Oh, my God.
It would be perfect.
I want to keep eating it, but I have to wait until lunch in like an hour.
I think you could finish one.
No, I'll wait. That is wonderful.
Well,
it really
thank
warms you up, too.
Yeah.
It's been really cold here lately. And this
yes.
Beautiful.
And it makes the whole house smell delicious.
Oh yeah.
It's those green onions. It does it every time.
Really add a lot. The ranch is beautiful on top.
Woo. This is a feast for the eyes as well as the mouth and stomach.
And that's so important.
Yeah. Well, you could also throw some hot sauce on there too.
Oh yeah, that would be nice too.
Yeah.
Well, that's another one for you. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you give this a try and let us know if you do. And if you're not already subscribed, why not subscribe?
It's free.
Yeah. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, much love.